to be marketable in the job market in the current global context. It is essential for employees to build their career capital cumulatively by learning from various sources such as training and development, practical exposure, and pursuing courses. Career capital is a true capital. It's a soft asset to employees, paving the way for hard capital. Employees with career capital are constantly on the lookout for opportunities. They have strong business acumen and build high internal locus of control. Additionally, they are in an advantageous position as employers can't fire them. Career capital and Gen Y. Presently, Gen Y is highly ambitious and appreciates preferring career to job and career to money. They are willing to postpone their marriages and are ready to sacrifice their personal lives to build their career capital. They strongly believe that if their career capital is strong, the rest of the things will fall in line. They crave for coaches and mentors who can train and groom them into leadership roles and responsibilities. They appreciate continuous learning and constant feedback. They job hope as they don't want routine. They want something different. Here are the tips to build your career capital to fast track your career. Be specialized in your passionate area. Continuously work hard in it for 10,000 hours to excel as a professional. Do research in your area of interest regularly to stay ahead of your time. Blog to share your knowledge, write articles and research papers and get them published in prestigious publications. Acquire new skills and abilities regularly. Share your knowledge and network with others to get to know the happenings. Showcase your skills and abilities regularly. Participate in conferences, meetings and trade meetings to interact with the professionals from your domain. Come out of your comfort zone to explore new areas in depth. Acquire breadth of knowledge in diversified areas and depth of knowledge in your core area to build career capital as well as your brand. Develop the attitude as a consultant rather than as a contractor. The knowledge workers fall in the category of consultants while the manual workers fall in the category of contractors. It's the knowledge workers who emphasize more on career capital and it's the consultants who emphasize more on career capital. The champions of career capital treat it as a true currency rather than the conventional monetary currency. On slide C, we will talk about excelling as a CEO. When we take the example of Winston Churchill, he proved as a wartime hero.